Hi, my name is Annette Sarkissian, and I'm going to be your distance teacher for Earth Science this year. I'm really excited about Earth Science. I love learning about the Earth that God created and provided for us. He made it just so perfect to meet all of our needs. And I just wanted to give you a quick overview. We're going to be studying about the Earth and its crust and the rocks and sediment and just the patterns that God has provided to keep everything going in terms of erosion and replenishing nutrients and minerals. And we're also going to study about the bodies of water and the Earth's climate and its atmosphere, and also then about the weather and how that is produced and the weather patterns that are produced due to the different ways that the Earth is heated up and whatnot. And the last unit is on astronomy. So a lot of fun stuff. There are several projects assigned in every unit. You only have to complete one of these projects. So you can browse the projects and choose the one that appeals to you the most. Some of them are hands-on and some of them are more like virtual projects or research projects. For the virtual and research projects, you just need to provide any sources, outside sources that you might use to complete the project. For the hands-on projects, I would really appreciate a picture, a photo of you doing the project, as well as you answering the questions that are provided. Even though this is a science class, we're not having you complete the complete scientific method write-up for each experiment. Doesn't really apply to some of the projects. Some of them are not really experiments. They're more like investigations or research projects. So keep that in mind. When you have chosen a project, you may message me and tell me which one you chose, and then I will skip all of the rest of the projects, and those will disappear from your to-do list, and that way you won't get confused and do extra projects because you think you need to complete them. So just let me know after you've chosen a project, and I will skip the ones that you're not doing, okay? But I am here at the click of a button. If there's something you don't understand, or if you have a question about anything that you're learning about, let me know. If you don't pass a quiz at 80%, you need to make sure and study the lessons prior to that quiz very well. There are a lot of concepts to memorize. Have someone quiz you. Make sure that you find all of the answers that you missed in the quiz, and then message me to reassign the quiz when you're ready to take it. Once I reassign it, you won't be able to see it anymore. So make sure that you study properly before you ask me to reassign it. If I have to assign the quiz more than 3 times, I will be making a phone call and talking to you and to your parents about your study habits and how we could study better so that you don't have to take the quiz more than 3 times, because really you shouldn't have to take it more than 3 times since you're able to see the quiz before I reassign it again. So just keep that in mind. Hopefully that won't happen at all and you will pass your quizzes on the first try. But part of this course is also teaching you to have good study habits. So we want to make sure that you learn how to study well so that you can pass the quiz on the first try. All right, well, that's all for now, but I look forward to speaking with you, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.